And that is the secret behind
Dad.
operational efficiency.
Hey, Dad. Dad. Hey, Dad. Dad. Hey, Dad. Dad.
1 second.
Dad. 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 Hey, Dad. I have a question. What is low-code development?
That's a great question. Low-code development and traditional software development are both approaches to creating a software application. Each of these paths maintains distinct methodologies, tools, and have target use cases. Traditional development requires significant programming and coding effort, but it provides the flexibility and customization needed to create complex, high-performance applications with very unique or custom functionalities. Think of things like large-scale enterprise systems or intricate web applications. Traditional development does require a deep understanding of programming languages, frameworks, and development environments. Low-code development, on the other hand, requires minimal coding to build an application. It relies heavily on graphical user interfaces for most of the development process, including drag and drop elements, pre-built templates. The aim of low code is to reduce the reliance on extensive coding knowledge by allowing low code developers to utilize movable pieces of functionality. Think of it like this. Low code development is a lot like building with Legos. You have a wide variety of pre-made blocks and components that are available at your disposal. You don't need to know how to make those blocks or how they're going to connect with each other. What you have are various pieces that you can choose from and assemble to create your desired project. Similarly, low-code platforms provide users with pre-built elements and drag-and-drop functionality, allowing them to assemble applications quickly without needing to write extensive lines of code from scratch. And just as Lego sets come with instruction manuals that guide you through the building process, low-code platforms offer visual interfaces and templates that guide developers through the application creation process. This approach significantly reduces the complexity, time, and expense that's required to build an application, making software development more accessible to a much broader range of people, including those who may not have any traditional programming skills, but are deeply familiar with an organization's specific business processes and the logic and flow of how an ideal application should work. So the choice between low code and traditional development really depends on the project's specific requirements, complexity, and the technical skills of the development team. But what low code does is it gives you the ability to leverage small, purpose-built pieces of functionality to assemble the application that you need to have for a specific business process.
Oh, okay. Can we have our Legos back?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there you have it. That is low-code development with a Lego analogy.